Hey, what's up guys, it's Joey here, and today let me show you my iPhone X in fair condition that I got from backmarket. Let's start with the unboxing. The phone arrived in 2 days with DHL in this plain brown box, so let's see what's inside. The start of a beautiful friendship, we will see about that. So we got a lightning cable and the phone itself in a bubble wrap. When I compare it to the refurbished packaging, it feels a bit short. Refurbished box feels more premium. Okay, let's get the box out of the way and see how the phone looks. It looks like the screen has been replaced. It looks brand new. However, on the back there are some nasty grooves. It's not a big deal, this is a fair condition phone, so the lowest quality they offer, but it's something to keep in mind. The phone will be in a case anyway, so no one will ever see. The top right corner has the biggest damage, but it's under the glass somehow. Okay, let's check what else comes with the phone. Some sorts of a aftermarket lightning cable. Again, with Swappy you get the real deal Foxconn cable and a SIM ejector tool. Before I set up the phone, I always clean it with a glass foam cleaner. I hate when there's dirt, fingerprints and smudges. Alright, now let's boot up the phone and set it up. The OLED display still looks amazing in 2023. The black color is so deep and rich. This was the state-of-the-art display for an iPhone back in 2017. Okay, let's set up the Face ID real quick and see if it works. It's slower than I was expecting. Let's try again. Okay, it works. And now, the most important thing when buying second-hand, the battery health. Showing 100%. What? Let's check the battery with a Mac using the Coconut battery app. Okay, so here we can see that the battery has been replaced 165 days ago. That's not bad. With an aftermarket battery, Desay Corporation, probably a Chinese battery. While the phone was manufactured November 6th, 2017. Over here we can also check how many battery cycles the battery has. It says 0, that means it was never used before. Okay, what else? The phone came with iOS 16.1. Let's upgrade it to 16.3.1. And while using the phone, I noticed that the 3D touch is not working. I'm not putting any pressure on the screen, and as you can see, the secondary menu always pops up. I guess this has something to do with the fact that the screen has been replaced. And I checked the settings and everything, the 3D touch is enabled. No matter how or what I change in the settings, it's always the same. It's not the experience I was looking for, because the iPhone X is one of the last Face ID phones that had this feature. At least the True Tone function is working correctly. Okay, let's move on now and test the cameras. This phone has the normal lens and the telephoto lens for zooming in. And it shoots 4K 60, which was a big deal back in 2017. Not many phones could do that without the time restriction. And the zoom is actually pretty good on this phone, better than on my iPhone 14. So if you like to zoom on things, this phone is for you. And as you can see, I have tested the camera in my local Starbucks during the day. You can see the grain starts popping up immediately when you don't have ideal light conditions. And the noise is especially visible in the low light. Alright, now let's test the gaming performance of this iPhone X using GTA San Andreas.
Making this worse for yourself, you glittering prick!
No complaints here, the game runs smoothly without any lag or shuddering. Okay, and the last thing, let's compare the looks of the iPhone X with my iPhone 14 in midnight black color. The X looks still great even after 5 years. The camera bump is way smaller. And it's just a personal preference if you like the rounded edges or the flat edges. Alright, that's it, so let's wrap it up. Overall, I'm really happy with my iPhone X from backmarket. The phone arrived quickly and in a great condition despite being in a fair quality. The good news is that the cheapest option comes with a new screen and a new battery. They are most probably cheap parts from China, but what you gonna do? I will definitely test the battery in my next video. The Face ID, camera and the charging all work perfectly. The only thing that isn't working is the 3D touch, but it works kinda like a haptic touch. I would definitely recommend checking out the backmarket. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.